Diversity to today's project. I'm changing out my accumulator dryer. Like it's pretty straightforward, like 2 volts. So I'm gonna knock that out and complete this AC project. I need to put a vacuum on the system. I need to put my oil in and redo my Freon. The last few videos I was hoping I could just change my air pins, my little valves, and I thought it just had a leak, but I found out later that my evaporator core had a leak. So I'm doing this stuff all over again, but the job should be complete now. Shouldn't have any more issues for. Got my dryer right here, receiver. I mean, right out in the open, and you can get it. No problem, no hustle. Got my 2 lines running from it here. Look like just 2 screws. I'll take that out. There's no pressure in the line, so just gonna unscrew those and see if that's it. Have my 8mm loader socket here. It's going to fit right on top. I don't know what's holding at the bottom, but let me check and see. But it's coming right off. Let me check this one loose. One line running from the back with the cord, other line to the condenser. Screws are coming right up here. There's a lot of activity in this parking lot. This is like a marketplace area. People all over the place. I'm out here a lot. One time a lady seen me recording and she knew what I was doing. She asked me was I doing a YouTube video. I told her yes. And she asked me if I could help her install her headlight on the SUV, and I was able to help her, and she paid me, and that was nice. So I'm out here working. Sometimes I make a little cash on the side. People come by and ask me to do a few small projects for them. So I go home with money sometimes just doing my own video. Very small. Put it in my pocket. The other one out here. Look like this just lifts out. The other one lifts up. Let's see what we got over here. It's my new one. Like it was under pressure a little bit when I took the rubber seal off. Guess they gas them up. Make sure it looks identical. It looks like both holes there, both holes there. Looks good. Okay, let's see how this rascal comes out. I don't know if it just slides straight up. I guess so. Get my line out of the way. Look like it just pulls right up here. I mean, they make this stuff, they pack them in real good. I kind of slant it toward me. Okay, it's out. There you go. Recommended that I change this. The dealer, the auto people wanted to do all this work for $963, and my wife said no, we're not going there. Make sure I get this back in, fix it that way. Just a little slot down here where this slides into. That don't get in the rubber boot. So let's slide this back in place. Let's see, this was this way. Let's slide the new one in place here. Okay, I finally got everything lined up. That was crazy. It can't be that difficult. Alright, so there you go, Diversity 2. I just simply installed my new dryer. And let's get it rolling. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.